Hello students, let me show you what will we learn in this lecture. So we have one object and collision with another. This collision need to be detected and we need to have some data about what is in collision and what is some kind of object identification in a collision. So what we need to do, we need to add some kind of body shape entered signal, which will detect any body shape entered to the rigid body. This body shape entered signal can be added via connect to some kind of function, but only for a rigid bodies. So we are talking about rigid body which are created here, as you know. And what you need to use contact monitor, need to be true. This is for collision shape and body shapes contact. And you need to set maximum contacts for reports, uh, for example 1 to 10, and then we can create this signal to this function. In the function we will use 4 arguments, and with this argument we will get some kind of data about colliding body. So we will get the name of colliding body and we will get ID of colliding body. To do this properly, we know what is colliding body, so static body. We will add some kind of a name. For example, with a set name, this will be name. And when collision happen, we will get the data about object and some kind of identification number of this object. This will be useful in next working with some kind of logic puzzle game. So you will have these lines in a code snippet, and this is all for this lecture. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.